You ever wonder how some people in their 50s still run marathons, travel the world, or even start new careers? Stick around to find out how I keep up with the energy and agility I had in my 30s. Hey friends, I'm Yogi Aaron, and I've cracked the code to living a vibrant life even in my 50s. Today I'm going to share with you some of my personal tips and tricks that make this possible. Whether you're approaching 50 or just curious about how to maintain your vitality, this video is for you. The very first secret or hack to staying young is what you think about. What you think about, you bring about. If you're constantly thinking about getting older or thinking about, oh my God, I'm getting older and my body is starting to break down, or this is happening or that is happening, sure, it can get depressive and that will affect your outcome. So you need to start having a more positive outlook. I was watching this interview on 60 Minutes one time where they were interviewing people in their 90s, and one of the key secrets that they found with people who live long and healthy lives is the strong and powerful mindset. What is one of the secrets in that mindset? Enjoy your life. You are alive. Enjoy it. Take time to savor and taste the wonder of life, whether you're outside walking and smelling the fresh flowers, whatever it is, take time to appreciate it. And my personal secret to enjoying life is I plan things. I plan excursions. I plan outings. I plan activities. I plan trips around the world. I do things that get me excited about life. Those are the real secrets in living a long and healthy life. Hack number 2, take care of your health. Oh my God, this is so important. My number 1 recommendation, eat live foods. Eat foods that are alive. One of the most important things is to eat as many different kinds of foods every single day. So many of us get into a rut in our life and we eat the same things day in and day out. Feed your body alive foods. Please stay away from the processed foods. Whenever you go into a grocery store, one of the rules that I always follow is stay on the outside, because it's on the outside that you're going to get the alive foods that your body needs. We know that by eating ultra processed foods is going to be long-term damaging to our health and create a lot of problems. And that positive attitude is so important because it's what fuels the third hack, which is moving your body. You've got to be able to move your body every single day. My number 1 movement is walking. I love to walk. Walking is just so helpful. The other thing that's really important is doing your muscle activation practices. Your muscle activation practices are so important because that is what's going to help you to maintain that neuromuscular connection to your muscles so that your muscles can work throughout your life. The 4th hack is getting proper rest. Now, there's a lot of discussion on how much sleep you should get, and I want you to throw all of that out because it's horsepucky. It does not make any sense. Listen, guys, you can sleep 10, 12, 15 hours a day, whatever it is. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting the proper amount of rest, and that is what is important. So a couple of tips in getting rest. Number 1, turn off your devices. Turn off your devices 30 to 60 minutes before you go to bed. Please turn off your TV and learn the proper techniques of how to get rest. So one of my own personal exercises is to do some deep relaxation while doing some spinal molding. So I have these spinal molding blocks here as well as a pillow here. What I want to show you guys is that I come onto my back here, I set up my spinal molding blocks, and as I'm here, I will also put this pillow over my belly. And as I put this pillow over my belly, I will do some deep breathing practices here and feel my breath completely fill into my lower belly, which then pushes or rises up into the pillow. This is one of the best ways to practice relaxation. Follow my breath in and follow my breath out. Friends, this is such a great practice. This simple diaphragmatic breathing practice is going to change your life. The fifth hack is to keep learning. I am so glad that you guys are here on this channel, but what's more important is that you are interested in learning. That interest in learning is what keeps you young, it keeps you vital, it keeps you trying different things, and as you learn different things, as you probably know, you start to see life differently, you experience life differently. Keep exploring every single day all the things that you want to do, and that will keep you young and keep you energetic in your own life. Got something out of this video? Awesome! Smash that like button to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Happy practicing, my friends.